For those who enjoy smoothies as a daily breakfast or a refreshing post-exercise treat, selecting the right blender is crucial. It should efficiently blend tough ingredients like frozen fruit chunks and fibrous greens such as kale. The ideal smoothie blender is versatile at handling both large and small quantities of ingredients and can assist with various kitchen tasks. Top-quality blenders excel in creating smooth and enjoyable smoothies and are effortless to clean. Depending on your needs, you might prefer a blender with pre-programmed settings for easy operation, or even a portable battery-operated model for on-the-go refreshments. After rigorously testing more than 70 blenders, we've compiled a list of the top choices for making smoothies in this video. All the links are mentioned in the video description below, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 5. KitchenAid K150. For those hesitant to invest heavily in a blender, the KitchenAid K150 emerges as an ideal option, especially suitable for occasional use like making sauces or smoothies. It's the most budget-friendly model we recommend, striking a balance between affordability and functionality. The K150 features a 48-ounce jar and has a compact profile, making it the smallest blender in our guide. It tends to produce somewhat coarser textures compared to our other selections, and its motor isn't as robust, which could lead to quicker wear if heavily used. A notable trade-off at this price point is the warranty duration. The KitchenAid K150 comes with only a 1-year warranty, unlike the longer coverage offered by our other picks. However, it stands out as a versatile, all-purpose blender that conveniently fits under most kitchen cabinets due to its size. The blender's 3-speed settings provide sufficient versatility for basic blending tasks. Its ice-crushing capability is a notable feature, allowing for a range of cold beverages and smoothies. The design of the K150 is both user-friendly and space-efficient, making it a suitable addition to smaller kitchens or for those with limited storage space. While it may not boast the power or longevity of higher-priced models, the K150's performance is impressive for its category. It's an excellent choice for casual users who need a reliable blender for sporadic use, without the need for advanced features or heavy-duty blending capacity. Number 4. The Clean Blend Blender. For those weighing options beyond the Vitamix and preferring more power over the extended warranty of the Austar, the 1-800-watt Clean Blend Blender is a strong contender. The Clean Blend excels in its blending power, efficiently crushing berry seeds and ice to produce even creamier smoothies and piña coladas than the Vitamix. It features a jar made of sturdy Triton plastic with a comfortable, ergonomic handle. In contrast to the Austar Versa, the Clean Blend lacks preset buttons and shows little variation between its low and high speeds. However, our tests reveal that the Clean Blend's motor outperforms the Austar's in terms of durability, maintaining robust performance even after 5 years of regular use. It's important to note, though, that Clean Blend offers a 5-year warranty, which is shorter than the 7-year coverage provided by both Vitamix and Austar. Clean Blend's high-powered motor is a standout feature, making it especially adept at handling tough ingredients with ease. The build quality of the Clean Blend is evident in its durable jar, which can withstand the rigors of frequent use. Overall, this is an excellent choice for those prioritizing blending power and long-term durability. While it may not offer the extensive warranty of some competitors, its proven track record in performance makes it a reliable option for heavy-duty blending tasks. Number 3. Austar Versa Pro Series. The Austar Versa Pro Series blender stands out in the realm of affordable, high-performance blenders. Its 1,400-watt motor surpasses similar models in terms of speed variations and operates more quietly. A notable feature is the inclusion of a tamper, useful for managing thick blends like smoothies. With a height of 17.5 inches, the Austar Versa boasts a more cabinet-friendly design compared to many other high-powered blenders. While it may not be the absolute best in the market and doesn't quite reach the power and longevity of Vitamix models, it excels in blending capabilities and user-friendliness. It also comes with a reassuring 7-year warranty. For those reluctant to invest heavily in a high-powered blender, the Austar Versa presents itself as an excellent choice. Delving into its advantages, The Austar Versa's range of speed settings allows for precise control, catering to a variety of blending tasks. Its quieter operation is a significant plus, particularly in settings where noise is a concern. The blender's design is both aesthetically pleasing and functional, blending seamlessly into the modern kitchen environment. Despite its limitations in power compared to premium models, the Austar Versa is an excellent choice for everyday blending needs. Its blend of performance, convenience, and affordability makes it a standout choice for those looking to upgrade their blending experience without breaking the bank. Number 2. KitchenAid K400. The KitchenAid K400 emerges as a more budget-friendly alternative, delivering comparable performance in blending typical smoothie ingredients such as fruits, leafy greens, and ice cubes. Although its build quality doesn't quite match the number 1 spot in our list, and it offers a shorter 1-year warranty, the K400 efficiently turns fibrous ingredients into smooth purees. It's capable of handling both single servings and its full 56-ounce capacity for multiple servings. While it comes with a main jar, KitchenAid provides the option to purchase personal jars for single-serve smoothies. Its control panel includes several blending programs for automatic operation. Cleaning the KitchenAid K400 can be a bit more cumbersome, particularly under the blades and with sticky ingredients. However, this is less of a concern for primarily liquid recipes like smoothies. The lack of a tamper and its limited effectiveness with thicker mixtures, such as hummus or nut butter, might be a drawback for those seeking a versatile kitchen appliance. Expanding on its features, the K400's blending programs are designed for convenience, allowing users to set it and forget it. This feature ensures consistent results every time, whether you're making a quick breakfast smoothie or a batch of refreshing drinks for guests. The KitchenAid K400, though not as all-encompassing as some higher-end models, is an excellent choice for smoothie aficionados who prioritize simplicity and cost-effectiveness. It strikes a balance between performance and affordability, making it a suitable option for those who primarily blend softer ingredients and don't require the additional functionalities for processing thicker mixes. Number 1. Vitamix 5200. Our consistent blender testing since 2012 shows Vitamix blenders as the top performers, specifically the Vitamix 5200 model. It's capable of creating exceptionally smooth peanut butter and seamlessly pureeing robust soups without causing hot liquids to splash out of the jar. While it lacks preset buttons, its speed range is impressively broad. The Vitamix 5200 is not just a consumer favorite. It's a staple in many professional kitchens and juice bars. Its reliability and durability are unmatched in our experience. They also offer a 7-year warranty and offer quick replacements in case the motor fails. This blender's intuitive controls make it accessible for users of all skill levels, allowing for precise adjustments to achieve the perfect texture in every blend. The robust construction of the Vitamix 5200 is another notable feature. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use, making it a long-term investment for both home cooks and professional chefs. The versatility of the Vitamix 5200 extends beyond smoothies and soups. It's adept at grinding grains, making dough, and even creating frozen desserts. This flexibility makes it a valuable tool in any kitchen, catering to a wide range of culinary needs. Its self-cleaning feature is another plus and a huge time saver, ensuring that maintenance is as effortless as its operation. In summary, the Vitamix 5200's combination of power, versatility, and durability makes it a top choice for anyone serious about blending.